Hey guys, it's Yam and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a blue eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I'm not good at putting eyeshadows on my lids, guys, but I'm gonna try. So if you want to see the process and the result right after, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell beside it so you will be notified on my next video, just like this one. If you're ready, let's begin.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
I'm done doing my skincare and my kilay. By the way guys, my shirt, this one's from 𝐒𝐈𝐓 give them a follow on Instagram. I will put their link on the description box down below. See? Super cute, right? And so I'm gonna use the Maybelline concealer in the shade number 15 Fair, and ilalagay ko lang to sa aking under eye. I'm not good at putting on makeup on my face, guys, but a girl gotta do what she gotta do. Again, guys, pull out for more. Daghan ako consider sa nose ganyan pasagan mga butang. But anyway, I think okay na. Okay, so I'm also gonna use the same concealer on my eyelids para mas kakapit yung makeup. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Focalier brush and this Beauty Glaze Color Board palette. I'm gonna use this palette for today because we're all about blue eyeshadow. And I think I'm gonna use this color instead. Colorful ba? Okay, for the next color, I'm gonna mix this blue and this one. I love experimenting stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use this glitter sa middle part ng eyelids ko. Bazoo! Pwede na ako mag-party. Oh, my glitter fall out pa siya, guys. So, I'm gonna put the same colors na nilagay ko sa lids ko dito sa lower part ng eyes ko, guys. Okay, so this one. And then I'm gonna put this yellow on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, it's so colorful. Meron akong langgam. I'm gonna do my nose contour using this Vice Cosmetics in the shade Confirm. Okay, so I'm gonna use this air blush from Sunny's Face in the shade Raz. Ito pala siya, guys, if you're gonna swatch it. Okay. Super ganda ng color niya, guys. You can use your fingers pala. Or you can opt to use a brush. Okay, so the next one is highlighter, because what is makeup without highlighter? I'm gonna use this Glam Pocket from Skin Potions in the shade The Bomb. And ito, gamit na gamit talaga siya, guys. Super. I'm gonna put it here on the bridge of my nose. And here.
Come back home to me. No pressure, there's no reason other than I want to see just what you do to me. Bring a smile, bring me out of myself. Bring me to the edge till I hold my...
For my lips, I'm gonna use two shades from Sunny's Face. This Girl Crush shade and shade number 140. I'm gonna use the Girl Crush lipstick first. After putting Girl Crush all over my lips, I'm gonna use shade number 143 for the inner part of my lip.
Change gets so needy, but I know how to wait, so let them go crazy.
See, the perfect lip color for me. And I think I'm gonna do my winged eyeliner off cam because I'm not a master when putting on eyeliner. I'm still practicing how to wing it perfectly. So be right back. So hey guys, I think this is the look, the final look, and it's the end of the video. If you like what I did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what do you think about this look and what other videos you'd like to see me next. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell beside it so you won't miss any of my new videos. This is Yamyam saying goodbye and see you next time. Bye!